Okay, great. I'll text you right now. Hi there, how can I help you? Really? Help me understand. Come on in. Come on. Yeah, come on in. Yes, you're right. Rates may go up and properties may go down a little bit. But if we put it into context, just remember that just here in California, we've had appreciation of like 30, 40% sometimes. So right now, if we're going down in values, it's actually gonna give a chance to buyers to purchase a property for a little bit less. So whether you're a buyer, a seller, looking for a bigger or smaller home, this may be a right time to make a smart move. Help me understand. Are you thinking of purchasing or selling?